everyone, welcome back to TechNow Explained, your go-to spot for breaking down how AI and technology are shaping our world. Today, we're spotlighting 7 AI startups making waves in 2025. From digital humans to climate tech drones, each with serious momentum and potential. We'll dive into what they do, where they're headed, and whether they're worth investing in. So let's kick things off with the one that's bringing lifelike digital humans to your screen. First up is Anam, a startup building hyper-realistic digital human avatars that can talk, teach, or support, generated from just one photo. They closed a $9 million seed round and already have roughly 2,000 clients, including big brands like Schwarzkopf and Preply. They're expected to hit $5 million in revenue this year. Pretty impressive for a 2023 founded company. Their one-shot feature creates an AI persona in minutes. For investors, this matters because the market for digital avatars in education, e-commerce, and telehealth is projected to grow rapidly, melding real value with viral appeal. Next, we have xAI, Elon Musk's ambitious AI startup aiming to rival ChatGPT. With plans to raise at a $170 $200 billion valuation, it already pulled in $10 billion in equity and debt infusion in June. Forecasts suggest $1 billion in revenue by end of 2025, scaling to $13 billion in annual earnings by 2029. If they hit those targets, early investors could see huge returns, assuming Musk can execute and fend off regulatory scrutiny. Shifting gears, Quantexa uses AI to fight fraud and detect risks by linking complex datasets across finance and government. They recently raised $140 million in a Series F round and are now valued around $2 billion, with 850 employees globally. With fintech scrutiny increasing worldwide, demand for AI-driven compliance tools is surging. Quantexa is poised for an IPO, and that valuation growth suggests a solid investable track. Next, based in France, Mistral AI is building European AI infrastructure backed by Macron and Abu Dhabi investments. They've already raised over $985 million in rounds and soon plan a $1 billion plus raise. With NVIDIA partnerships and an EU focus, they're competing head-to-head with OpenAI and Google, offering investors a bridge into European AI sovereignty. Now that we've covered mega players, let's spotlight 4 other fast-rising startups that each bring unique value. Anthropic is a leader in building safe and steerable AI. Their Claude assistant is used enterprise-wide, backed by Google and Salesforce, and they recently closed a $3.5 billion Series E. Their revenue multiples are premium thanks to deep roots in safety and ethics. If you care about AI that aligns with human values, Anthropic is a rare blend of innovation and conscience. From Iowa emerges Roboflow, which simplifies computer vision pipelines for developers. It has raised $61 million to date, with $37.5 million in its Series B. As computer vision becomes essential across sectors, Roboflow stands out by lowering the technical barrier. That kind of strategic niche positioning often leads to strong growth and stable investment returns. Fireflies.ai brings AI into everyday meetings via Fred, which transcribes, summarizes, and surfaces insights in over 100 languages. They've raised $19 million, including a $14 million Series A. In a remote-first world, the demand for meeting efficiency tools is skyrocketing. Fireflies is well-positioned to serve enterprises grappling with information overload, making it both a practical and scalable investment. This is no bubble. Funding and spending on AI are exploding. Global generative AI spending will hit $644 billion in 2025, up 76% from 2024. Q1 2025 funding for North American AI startups reached $34.5 billion. 62% of digital health VC went into AI startups in H1 2025, with average deal sizes rising sharply. Anthropic models drew a massive $3.5 billion investment. US private AI investment hit $109 billion in 2024, nearly 12 times China's. All signs point to AI becoming central in enterprise, healthcare, climate tech, and public policy. Let me break it down. These scale-ups, XAI, Mistral, Quantexa, Anthropic, offer foundational infrastructure with international impact. Startups like Roboflow and Fireflies present clear, sticky business cases and room to grow. Anam is a creative wildcard with viral potential and enterprise utility. Diversifying across verticals, health, vision, digital humans balances the pipeline. But watch funding valuations, tech dependencies, regulation, and IPO timelines. These factors will shape real returns. My 2 cents. We're not just in another tech wave. We're transforming how every industry thinks, learns, works, and lives. These companies are building the backbone of that shift. But with great power comes responsibility. We need AI that's transparent, secure, and aligned with society, not just another innovator's toy. Encourage public-private partnerships, encourage global cooperation, and invest in startups anchored by ethics and urgency. So keep your eyes peeled for upcoming IPOs, funding rounds, industry trials, and regulatory frameworks. Those will define who's shaping the future and who's just filling digital headlines. If this breakdown sparked your interest, hit like and subscribe to TechNow Explained for more insights on the AI revolution. Let's keep the conversation going. Comment below. Which of these 7 excites you most? Would you invest in digital humans, ethics-driven models, or automation tools? Thanks for watching. Remember, AI isn't just powering the next startup wave, it's rewriting how our world operates. Let's be part of shaping it.